Hi everyone, welcome to Going Country. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my garden.
Woo!
This is the first plant I'm going to show you. I had gotten this plant in a nursery called Christopher's Garden. As you can see, they're flowering all over here. It's a blackberry plant.
Ooh.
These are bushes. They can grow if you take care of them during the winter and everything, really, really big.
And how much did it cost you?
It was really expensive.
Yeah? Since when do you have it?
This is the first year.
The first year? Okay.
But I think it already has another year.
Oh, so 2 years?
Yeah, I think it already has another year. Because when I bought it, it already had this huge stick already.
Okay, so all of this sprouted while you had it. That means you're taking good care of it.
This other plant I'm going to show you is a grape. This one I've had for about a year and a little bit more, a year and a half.
Yeah, and how big is it supposed to be by now? Is it going at a good pace, or?
I think it's growing at a good pace because last time I saw it, it was this big and it was barely like a month ago or 2 months ago.
Oh, so it grew all of this?
Yeah, because I don't remember all this.
Well, that's good.
This plant was one of the plants that took me so long to start growing.
What is it? It looks weird.
It's an
Oh, thanks.
this is an artichoke.
Oh.
These can grow as perennials, but since our climate is really cold, this thing will only last the first year. So if it doesn't give me this year, I might not get anything.
Oh, and so how much longer does it have then? Just until like 2 more months before it gets cold?
Let's see. Well, right now it is July, almost in middle of July, and it has August, September, and October is gonna be cold already.
So, how does the artichoke grow? Does it grow up or?
It grows up. It can grow up to like 4 feet high.
Whoa.
And it also grows like 2 feet and spread out.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And what is this?
Broccoli.
Ooh, broccoli? Do the leaves taste like broccoli?
I do not know about that, but I'm pretty sure if I can eat them right now.
Where does the broccoli come out from?
Huh?
Where does the broccoli come out from?
Where does it come out from?
Just from here, from the middle?
Yeah,
or?
right here. It starts sprouting out in between here, coming out, and then it starts forming all the little. Because broccoli is actually just flower bulbs, since we get them early and we eat them like that, so.
Ah, okay. So the broccoli part is supposed to turn into a flower.
Yeah, but we
eat it. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Same with the artichoke. When the
Nice.
artichoke comes, it's a flower. It's closed. You pick it before it starts opening.
So we're eating a flower, pretty much. That's cool. And what is this? Oh yeah, peas. Cool.
Yes, these are a lot of peas.
Yeah, they are.
And I expected no peas. I mean it. I had planted them. They never came out. And then, like 2 or 3 weeks after I had planted them, they started coming out, and I but I already had planted them in little seedling things. I planted them. They died off completely.
Oh.
But the ones that I planted by seed came out all nice. All of these
That's
four
funny.
came out.
And since when do you have them?
These are actually pretty close to now, somewhere around May.
Cool. And what do we have here?
All of them are different types of varieties, but they're beans.
So it's just a whole bunch of mixture. Do you know which ones are which, or you just planted them all?
This line right here, all the way over here, is pinto beans.
Whoa, so all this is pinto?
Right here is the tender green, these tiny little bunch.
Uh-huh.
And I think these are brown beans. And
Okay.
and these, I think all of these are brown beans. And although I had planted more, the beans that were right here were lima beans, didn't grow out.
Oh, and yeah, I can kind of see the difference of the leaves. I mean, they're the same, but these are kind of rounder than these other ones. That's cool.
And these I barely planted them, so they're doing not that good.
What are they?
Tomatoes.
Oh, but I kind of see them. When did you plant them?
Barely like a week ago.
Oh, well, some are doing good, like this one.
And although you will not believe this, you can actually take onion. This is from one onion, all three of these.
Oh, really?
The onions, when they start sprouting, sometimes when they're rotting or something like that,
Yeah.
the sprouts start coming out. You'll be able to see like little wraps around them. If you see different wraps, it means that there's 3 different bulbs or as many as the wraps are in
Yeah.
the different onions, and that's how much I got on one plant.
Interesting fact.
The same with, and these are 2 I got out of them.
Whoa,
2
these
were
are
from
big.
one, and this one was from another.
Are these different kinds
Yes.
than those?
Those are, I think, yellow onions.
Mm.
And these are from a friend that gave it to us. I found out that they had more than one. I peeled them. I think these are Spanish onions.
Oh, okay. Do you eat this part?
Yeah, you can eat them.
Cool.
That's
green
you
onion?
can eat them you can eat them in whatever you like onions. They taste like onions.
Yeah. Kind of not as strong though, right? The flavor.
Not as strong as the onion, and it won't make you cry. Like,
True. That's true. So what are these?
as you can see, the shape, it's chili peppers, but they're the sweet variety.
Oh, so they're sweet. Are they yellow peppers
These are banana.
Oh, banana peppers. Cool. All right.
These plants I have gotten them when I had gotten my seed packets to plant these. I did not know how to grow these.
What are they?
These are okra.
Oh, okay. And what are okras?
Okras are just like I think a hot weathered vegetable because they didn't grow that well in the cold.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know how all of these survived. What happened is I had already had planted one before this one. They all died out.
Mm.
And these are newly planted ones. And they were like, these I all planted them June. And barely like 1 week or 2 weeks ago they started flowering. Right? I don't think there's a flower right now, but there's some okras around here.
Oh, I see some stuff growing there.
That's where the flower is gonna grow out.
Cool.
But there's some that are like this one right here that is growing out.
Oh, yeah. It's funny how they grow up. Those things grow down. It's
Same
defying
with this one
gravity.
right here. And there's 2 right here.
Oh, yeah. Well, they look like chili peppers.
Yeah, and the thing about these is you cannot leave them to grow more than 3 inches because then after they'll get hard and you won't be able to eat
The
them
okras?
anymore. That's why I brought this. For example, this one is about 2.5.
So it's almost ready?
Well, you can actually pick them now. You can pick them from 2 to 3. If you want them more tender, you can pick them now.
Uh-huh.
And if you want them to be a little bit more harder, you can wait till they're 3 inches.
And how do you eat them?
You can eat them raw, you can eat them cooked, or you can eat them in
Pickled?
salads.
Like a pickle?
According to what I've heard, they're gooey.
I think when I tasted it, the seed was a little slimy.
They say slimy and gooey.
Yeah.
Slimy and gooey. That's why
Ah.
most people don't like it. But
Oh.
I actually liked anything raw. Even leaves of plants like the broccoli.
Yeah.
I can eat them
No
all raw.
farmer. And so, what are these things that you got?
I actually really had invented this because I had a measuring tape.
Yeah.
I think it was a 25 feet measuring tape. I did not know. I didn't want to throw it away because it was bothering me, but I didn't want to throw it away because
So
I
did it work?
This is good,
Yeah.
strong. I can't even fold it. And so I was like, what can I do with this? And I thought, well, measuring tapes are for measuring.
Mm-hmm.
And I said some plants need, like, for example, this one's a 6-inch. I marked it in the back with 6-inch.
Uh-huh. Yes.
I made different sizes, like 2 feet,
Ooh.
1 feet, 4 feet,
Wow, you got a lot of sizes.
6 feet, and 3 feet.
So you
Yeah,
have
no way, there's another one here. And this one was one of the front ones, so it has the tip. So this one was 18 inches, or 1 feet and 6 inches.
So you have a variety. So you already, if you need a ruler for a certain size, you just wring it out and measure, right? It's cool.
That way, I did this that way because some plants are really, really hard because of this bumpy ground that I have here. So I decided this is easy to fold, so I can fold it and then I can plant one seed on one side and just go to the other side and plant the other seed.
Yeah, it's good, especially for planting. the distance, the seeds. Nice.